Then he go real fast, and then he do it.
Hey friends, it's Karamo from Netflix's Queer Eye.
And I'm his son, Jason Brown, also known as Rachel Sideburns.
And today, we are cooking a traditional Jamaican dish called Ackee And Saltfish with a side of Bammy. It's a Jamaican dish. Get your tummy right and nice. So what I love about Ackee And Saltfish is that it reminds me of home. So I just remember my grandmother, my grandfather cooking Ackee And Saltfish on Sunday mornings and then cutting up the Bammy and just like all of the family coming together and us just eating traditional Jamaican dishes. I mean, in my household, my father actually used cooking as a way to bond with me, and it's also a way that I use to bond with my son.
I'll be honest, early on we were very much hands-on in the kitchen. My dad used to embed in my head that I need to know how to cook as a man. So taught me how to cook chicken, rice, spaghetti, pastas, all the things.
I'm just saying, all right. Men cook, women cook, everyone should be cooking. It's a great way to talk, try new things, to be curious about life, and that's what I love about food. All right, so the thing about Jason and I is that when you cook, sometimes you gotta take a little dance break. It starts with the hands. You gotta come in closer. Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah. Then he go real fast, and then he do it. Okay, then he never dance.
All right, now back to cooking. So right now the Bammy looks really plain, and that's why we're gonna be adding in coconut milk, which gives it a really robust, sweet flavor that just is so, you can't wait to bite into it. It actually balances out all the rich flavors of the ackee and the vegetables. So you know, for me, Pride Month is a very important special month because it's where I started to find the confidence in myself as a gay man. And then as I had a son, it was really important for him to understand that it was great for you to be a part of the community, to see the strength and the beauty of the LGBTQI community. Because I think a lot of times parents are afraid to introduce their children to their community, their surroundings. But I think it helps them to grow and be better.
For me, Pride definitely is one of the best times that I've ever possibly had in the summertime. You know, we live it up. We honestly have a good time and we celebrate the pride that we all have for the community.
So this is where you start to break up the saltfish. But you know what? Real cooks, we use our hands. Get rid of the forks, just get your hands in there. That's what real cooks do. Just start grinding it up. You start to feel the texture of the fish. You start to feel like you're infused with the food.
And this is my favorite part actually, when we're stirring in the red peppers, the green peppers, the onions, the ackee, everything looks so beautiful right now.
See, this is the part about Jamaican dishes that I love, is that they incorporate so many fresh vegetables that you get to see the color and it smells so fragrant. I mean, just whip that in, son. Whip it in. You smell it? Right? Smells good. I know. So Jason and I have a brand new book coming out called I Am Perfectly Designed. This book is a children's book. It's a picture book, but it's also for adults because as we know, whether you're 2, 20, or 220, I don't know anybody that age without trying to figure out how to go in sequence, we all have issues with our self-esteem where we're like, I don't feel good about myself today. I feel like someone's better than me, or you start comparing yourself. And this book is to teach all of us and remind all of us that we are perfectly designed.
Basically, it just always taught me to be myself, you know, and that's kind of the main point of this whole book, is for everybody to know that themselves naturally is perfect.
We have everything we need, friends, to create the life we want. You just gotta believe in yourself.
It's all on you.
You ready to try the dish?
I am so ready. So, are you just went straight in for it, okay?
Yeah, it's so delicious. You have no idea. You can taste every bit of the ackee. You can take the saltfish if you're an American, the saltfish if you're Jamaican. As my son continues to eat, I just want to remind everyone to check out our brand new book, I Am Perfectly Designed, coming out in the fall. And also, I want to encourage everyone to try different foods from different cultures. Be curious. There's so many things out there that you're just going to love to try, but you gotta be curious enough to go after it. Start with this dish. Start with something new during Pride Month. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. Happy Pride, friends.
Pride.
Oh, yes!